Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Qgyrl. I'm on here with another video. This is an unboxing of my Pichme stuff. Now, if you guys don't know about Pichme, pretty much it's a way to review products. You review products from manufacturers, and that's how you get more products. The more you review, the more free items you get. You log on or create you an account, build your profiles, based upon, do you have kids? Do you have animals, like pets or anything? Just general like information you give about yourself, and they kind of send samples based upon that sometimes. So yeah, I love Pichme. It's all free. Okay, it's just free samples that you're reviewing. So why not join? I'll leave the link in the video below. So if you want to see what's in my Pichme box, because I don't remember what's in here because it's been a minute since I selected the item. So let's get in here and see what's in this box. Okay, so this is not a bad box at all. Okay, so to start off, you have the Lumify. And this is supposed to be something to relieve redness from your eyes, which is good. If you wear a lot of makeup, sometimes, you can get makeup in your eye, or, anything can happen, So it's always good to have some type of eye drop. So, yeah, I've never heard of this company before. Of course, I know who, I'm not going to butcher that name, Bausch and Lomb is. I know who that is. But I've never tried this particular brand of drops. So yeah, it says it's supposed to work within a minute and last up to 8 hours. So yeah, then I have some more skincare products. This is type A, and it's supposed to be an aluminum free deodorant. So I've never seen a deodorant like this before, but I believe it's the one where you screw the top off and you rub it on and you squeeze. Yeah, that's really different. So I can't wait to try that out. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this particular deodorant before by Type A. Yeah, so they gave me this, and then also it has a $2 Target coupon. So it looks like they have 3 cents. So as you can see, that's how you put the deodorant on there. That's a full tube, y'all. So yeah. And so of course I have Compeed. And this is supposed to be a cushioning and comfort product for your heel. So this is good if you do a lot of walking around. You don't want your heels to get blistered if you wear heels. You're doing a lot of walking, like in hallways. If you have one of those stand-up jobs. Y'all hear my son. So y'all want to know why y'all don't have videos. But anyway, so that's Compeed. So this is good, like I said, for people that need to walk around for long distance of time or do a lot of standing. That should help. So that's a good product to try out. Then I got something here. As you can see, like I tell you, like your profile, they kind of send you stuff based upon your profile. So here's beech nut. You got some baked veggie crisp, sweet potato. I can't wait to let Junior try this. This is perfect. Beech nut makes a lot of things that are travel friendly. I can pass my son this. We travel back and forth from Texas to Georgia. This is perfect. The squeezy tubes and everything, I like them. This one is stage 2 from about 6 months. So, but hey, they'll still take it, okay? But I recommend doing toddler if you have a toddler. Just use the one based upon your child's age, but they will still take it, okay? So yeah, that concludes this unboxing, guys, for Pichme. I am pleased with what I've received in this box. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, let your girl know. I will drop my link in the bottom so that you guys can register for the site. And again, this is free samples. All right, holla at y'all later. Thanks. Bye.